Corridos y desmadre, una Chevy tumbada en mi pensamiento. Todos me conocen como Mario de Modesto, amigo del amigo, eso no hay duda, al 100 estoy con todos. Para trabajar me pinto solo, mi trabajo es el mejor de todo el valle. El logo de ti se ve en la ventana de las trocas. Que no falte trocas, corridos y desmadre, que una Chevy que me llanta en un parking o ya de plano media calle. Pero que el desmadre nunca pare hasta que las llantas de la troca se acaben. No se les olvide, puro trocas, corridos y desmadre.
Yo, what's up guys, Street Riders 209 here. Today I have a project that I'm working out with Carlos from Sick Audio. He is working on a newer GMC Sierra. He's building a roof rack. Well, actually, I'm gonna be building the roof rack. He's gonna be doing the installation on it. But it's I think he wanted a 4 rack with 2 tweeters, which is perfect for my laser. So we kind of talked over a design already. He sent me home with a piece of wood. I don't know where I left it already, but I already dialed some stuff in on the laptop. I want to show you guys the design I came up with, and then basically we're going to be going through it. I think it's going to take a couple of days because he has to send out the rack to get wrapped. I'm not sure if he's going with suede or leather, but I'll keep you guys tuned on that. And I'll try to get as much content as I can on the build itself because it's kind of complicated. You know, even though he lives right around the corner from me, our schedules are different. So I'll try to get some content for you guys. At the very least, I'll do a quick little edit at the end of the video for you guys of the end result. All right, guys. So I hope the video is coming out good on the GoPro from the laptop, because I know sometimes it looks grainy, but this is the design I cooked up for him. If you can see, it's got the 4 6.5s and the 2 tweeters in the middle. We're adding, I think it's about 1 2 3 4 5 12 18 magnets, and we're hoping that's enough because it's going to be a slightly heavy panel. That's what it's going to look like. I'm going to start the laser right now and tag you guys along. All right, guys, so I got ahead of myself a little bit, but the main backing piece is already cut. There it is. It is now cutting the second layer, which should be a little spacer, 1/2 inch. It's going to be a total of 4 pieces glued together, and we're going to try to cut this 3/4 inch piece. I think it's doable. I've seen other people cut 3/4, so I'm just gonna have to do it nice and slow, or maybe fast and do some, you know, a lot of passes so that it doesn't really scorch as much. But this is the first roof rack I create in one piece. It was designed for the 4, I think they're Zion 6.5s, and then Scion tweeters. So yeah, guys, I'll keep you posted as soon as I have all these pieces cut, and then I'll assemble them. All right, guys, so the moment of truth, we are cutting the 3/4 inch piece I already did a pre-cut to see. This is what I got. So I'm gonna try to go for it. I think I'm gonna have to do like 3 more passes after this. I got kind of cocky and I thought that it was ready, but it wasn't. But as you guys can see, it literally almost cut it. So I just went for it. I don't really care. We'll just get another piece. As a matter of fact, I could cut 2 from there. So if that one doesn't work out, I'll try something else on the bottom one. But this is the piece already. We have the base, the spaced out section for the LED strip, the section for the magnets, and the 1/2 inch outer lip. So these will all be glued together. This will all be sanded. Alright guys, so my GoPro died, as you guys noticed, but I got the whole piece dialed in and cut. I already went ahead and installed magnets on this one. Basically it just has to get glued up. Alright, so this is the main piece, guys. The 3/4 almost made it, but you know, luckily with the flush bit, I was able to save the whole piece. So now he's gonna router it out. Alright guys, so there it is, it's finished. Makes a huge difference when it's routered and when it's not. And then obviously, like I said, if you guys choose a different router bit, it's a different look. So there it is. I'm just gonna do the back side. Looks clean. That shit, like, it starts right at the corner too. The angle.
Yeah, that's why I did it. I did
That looks badass.
One size smaller and the other one bigger.
Yeah. So there it is, guys. It's nice and finished. I'm waiting on some extra bigger magnets for the backside because you don't want these flush because it's gonna be wrapped. So with the fabric coming around the side and a couple of staples and glue, it's gonna bring it up. So I got some extra thick magnets so that they'll tie right into those. All right guys, we're gonna proceed to glue all of the layers together. All of this blacking from the laser, especially on the outside, you can smooth it out by sanding everything. Once it's all glued and hardened, you can sand that down flush and it looks perfectly clean. The inside, everything gets covered up by the speakers and the fabric anyway, so it's not even a huge issue.
Yeah, the hell got me last week.
All right guys, so this is the headliner that it's gonna go on. It's going right here, and they're gonna fiberglass mold it onto this, and it's going on this GMC here, badass truck. So I'll tune back in with you guys as the process goes on this. Yo, what's up guys? So in a turn of events, I had to pull up to the house real quick, or to his shop. I was cutting these pieces for the TCD mob truck, which is why I'm all dusty and dirty. So the customer is here, Carlos's customer is here for the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a video real quick on all of the panels that were, you know, reinstalled because they were gray before. That's why I didn't want to finish the video earlier, or when I came yesterday. But I'm just gonna do a quick little edit for you guys now that it's all put together. The rack came out so clean, so clean. I think I've already said it a few times. They did do speakers in the front grill. You can't really see them. I think they're Zion speakers. Set of tweeters in the back and in the hood. Did a custom box on it with 3 10s, I believe is what they are. Ported. We didn't know acrylics on that, but it came out clean. Let me show you guys a quick little edit of that and see what you guys think.
Tocas corridos y desmadre, una Chevy tumbada en mi pensamiento. Todos me conocen como Mario de Modesto, amigo del amigo, eso no hay duda, al 100 estoy con todos. Para trabajar me pinto solo, mi trabajo es el mejor de todo el valle. El logo de TCD en la ventana de las trocas, que no falte trocas, corridos y desmadre, que una Chevy que me llanta en un parking o ya de plano media calle. Pero que el desmadre nunca pare hasta que las llantas de la troca se acaben. No se les olvide, puro trocas, corridos y desmadre.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked the install on this truck. Up in then one of these next future videos, I'm not sure how long it's going to be, but this Chevelle right here, he's doing something custom on the whole interior. It's going to come out sick. I'm doing a lot of acrylics for it. As a matter of fact, I was doing some today. There's a bunch of them right there. So I'll tune you guys on that car also when it's ready. But for right now, the truck is done. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, turn on the notifications bell, as I will be posting a lot more videos again, also tutorials and DIY videos, so keep an eye out for that. Until then, see you guys